I hope everybody's doing great out there. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to my new man, Min. I just hired him as someone to help me out with our videos and doing our marketing stuff. So shout out to him. Wanted to mention that out there. Hope everybody's doing great. You know, today I wanted to talk about Teams phone system, specifically to analog devices like faxes, overhead paging, modems, things like that. But before I get too far ahead of myself, quick plug, if you'd like my recommendation on the best dial tone service providers to use for Teams phone system through either Operator Connect or Direct Routing as a Service, don't hesitate, shoot me an email, give me a call. I'm happy to help, especially if your company has 20, 30 or more users or more. That's really my specialty, and I won't charge you a thing for my service. So reach out, ask me my opinion. I'm happy to help. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So your company is looking into getting Teams phone system, but the problem is you're wondering, what about our faxes? What about our overhead paging? Or maybe you have some door buzzers that integrate with your phone system, like somebody hits you on the intercom at the front desk and somebody buzzes them in with their phone. So that's what you're doing today, but how's that going to work with Teams phone system? Does Teams phone system support those things? Well, the answer to that is no. Teams phone system does not support those things natively, those analog devices. So faxes, overhead paging, door buzzers, Teams does not work with those things. So what do? Can you still use Teams phone system? The answer is yes, you can. But what you have to do is you definitely have to use a vendor, a third-party vendor outside of Teams to get your dial tone, like through Operator Connect or through Direct Routing as a Service. So you can't go directly to Microsoft and get their calling plan and make the analog devices work, because that's something they don't support, is the analog devices. But if you go with these third-party vendors, a lot of them have workarounds where they can help you integrate your faxes, your analog devices like overhead paging and door buzzers, things like that, gate buzzers. If you have a gate outside, you got to buzz people in. They have ways to integrate those things into your Teams environment. So just another reason, if you've seen some of my other videos, just another reason why, if you want to use Teams phone system and your company has 20, 30, 40, 50 employees or more, 1,000 employees or more, you definitely want to use a third party for the dial tone. You don't want to go directly to Teams and get the calling plan. You don't want to try to do it yourself through Direct Routing. You want to either use Direct Routing as a Service or Operator Connect. It's just a more complete solution, and it ends up being the same cost anyway as going directly to Microsoft for calling plans, except that you're going to get better customer service and you're going to get more features like the ones I talked about today, like analog device integration, and they're going to help you with the setup. So it's just a much better way to go. That's why all of my customers, that's the way they go. They go with a third party for the dial tone. They don't go to Microsoft directly. So I hope that helped a little bit. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like my recommendation on the best vendors to quote for Operator Connect or Direct Routing as a Service for that dial tone for your Teams phone system for your company, reach out and contact me. There's hundreds of vendors out there. If you just try to look on your own, you're going to find the wrong ones. And because every vendor has a niche. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I know the industry inside and out, and I'm a broker for all the major vendors who do this stuff. So I'll ask you a few questions, and based on those answers, I'll be able to tell you the 2 to 3 vendors that you should definitely be quoting and why. Not only that, I'll introduce you to the best salespeople at those vendors to get the quotes from and to see a demo. And I'll oversee the quoting process and make sure you're getting the best pricing from every vendor. And the nice thing is I won't charge you anything for you to work with me. The actual service providers pay me my broker fees, so you don't have to pay me anything. So there's really no excuse for you to at least not reach out and contact me and ask me my opinion on this stuff. All right, so I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I will catch you on the next video.